Welcome NEET aspirants. So today we see a topic from respiration in plants, that is respiratory quotient. So here during aerobic respiration, O2 is consumed and CO2 is released. So here the ratio of that volume of CO2 released or evolved and the volume of O2 consumed or observed. So that we call it as the respiratory quotient or the respiratory ratio. So it is measured by Genong's respirometer and we see the RQ value for different substrate. RQ for carbohydrates, that is always unity, and examples are germinating seeds of cereals and then leaves and then flowers and then fruits. So here the RQ value, that is 1. So meaning the equal amount of carbon dioxide is released and then the O2 is observed. So that is equal to 1. So here the RQ value is 1. The RQ for fats and proteins are less than 1. Examples are germinating fatty seeds. So like castor, sesame and then the linseed. So here this RQ value we can say that is, here the 102 carbon dioxide is released and 145 molecules of O2 are observed. So here the value is 0.7. So especially for fat it is 0.7 and for proteins it is 0.9. For proteins it is 0.9 if it is used as a substrate. The RQ for organic acids, they are more than 1. Example in fishy plants like the members of Cactaceae and Crucilaceae. So here for oxalic acid we can say that, so for the oxalic acid, so the RQ value we can say that it is in 4, more than 1. And similarly for this malic acid, so the RQ value will be the 1.3. The RQ for anaerobic respiration, it is infinity because here the CO2 is released but there is no availability of the oxygen here. So that's why it is infinity. And RQ for succulent plant at night is 0 because here the CO2 is not evolved but it can be fixed internally. And remember that always the pure proteins or fats, they never used as the respiratory substrate. And the calorific value of the substrate is depends upon the hydrogen and oxygen ratio. So hope you understood the respiratory question. For more topics like this, stay tuned to NEET Nexus Universe.